Basically, I like getting up in the morning and sitting down until I hear a loud noise. And then when the loud noise has quenched my ears to the point that I feel I can go out and I can make a contribution, the next thing really in store for me is preparing some sort of vegetable snack. If I run into somebody I haven't seen for a long time, sometimes they'll push me down a flight of stairs. That's all right. It doesn't have to be something that I recall. It doesn't even have to be someone who is manufactured by a character within my own psyche, as it were. You know, if indeed that's what we're talking about.